Hey everyone, if Excalidraw is running slowly, lagging while drawing, freezing during editing, or becoming unresponsive when working on large diagrams, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw performance issues in 2026. First, check your device's available system resources. Excalidraw can become slow when your computer is running low on memory, CPU power, or available storage space. Next, close unnecessary browser tabs and background applications. Too many running programs can consume valuable resources and reduce Excaladraw's performance. Use performance optimizations, graphics improvements, and bug fixes that benefit applications like Excalidraw. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally affect responsiveness and stability. You should also verify that hardware acceleration is enabled in your browser settings. This allows your graphics hardware to assist with rendering and can improve overall performance. And that's how to fix Excalidraw performance issues in 2026. In most cases, reducing drawing complexity, freeing up system resources, updating your browser, and enabling hardware acceleration will significantly improve performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.